Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to crochet a classic granny square step by step. I will be using only two colors, grey and light brown, and I will guide you through the first 3 rows. After the 3rd row, the pattern simply repeats, so once you understand these steps, you can make your granny square as big as you like. For this project, you will need yarn in 2 colors, a crochet hook that matches your yarn, and a pair of scissors. I'm starting with the light brown for the center and then I will add the grey. For row number 1, we will start with the magic ring. Row number 1 is the center of our granny square. Chain 3, and this counts as your first double crochet. Inside the ring, work 2 more double crochets, then chain 2. This will create the first corner of our granny square. Repeat this sequence, 3 double crochets, chain 2, 3 more times. Once you have completed all 4 corners, join with a slip stitch to the top of the initial chain 3. Row number 2, we are going to build the square. For the 2nd row, chain 3 to begin. In the same space, work 2 double crochets. Chain 2 and then make another 3 double crochets in the same corner. And like this you have formed your first corner. I will repeat the same step one more time. Repeat this around the square, 3 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets in the same corner. When you reach the end of the round, join with a slip stitch. For row number 3, which is going to be the repeating row, so the key row of the granny square, from this point on, this row will repeat in the same way for every new round. Start by chaining 3 and working 2 double crochets in the same space. Chain 2 and then make another 3 double crochets in the corner. So once you finish a corner, you will chain 1 and in the spaces between corners work 3 double crochets only, so no chain 2. I will repeat this one more time. Now continue this pattern all the way around and join at the end with a slip stitch, as always. And that's it. After row 3, you will simply repeat the same pattern, adding one more set of 3 double crochets on each side with every new round. You can stop here for a small granny square or continue until you reach the size you want. Now, if you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you would like to see next. I wish you happy crocheting and see you in the next video. Bye!